So guys, just now I got this new headphones. It's a brand new headphones from the house of Mali Little Bird. Its model number is EMJE061. Well, the official pricing is of 500 rupees, but I got it in lightning deal. That includes 100 rupees discount. Almost I got it for 400 rupees. Let's open up the packaging. So as you can see, it's well nicely packed as usual. Amazon has packed it very nicely so the headphones does not get damaged. It's completely bubble wrapped. Let's move this packaging. Now you can see the headphones we get is Mali Little Bird. It's a plain simple packaging. It's a cardboard box. The official pricing is of 1290 rupees. Wait, let me focus. Official pricing is of 1290, but as of right now on Amazon you are getting it on just 400 rupees. There you can see the little informations. Microphone. Well, you can attach your Android and Apple iOS phones. I hope it does work with many Android iOS. Let's open up the packaging. There you get the warranty card, user manual. It's not a warranty card actually, it's just a user manual. We hardly need it. There it is, the headphones. Completely sealed tight packaging. You also get 2 rubber cushions for this in case you are having a smaller ear, so you can use it whichever you want. I'm comfortable with the original ones. It's a 3.5 mm jack. It's a gold plated, as you can see. It's completely gold plated, so there's no problem, and you can see the Mali branding on it. And we do get small piece of thing here. It's a mic where you can accept calls, play and pause your music. And this is it, the headphones. It's got a nice texture to it. It's completely black and the white dots add a little attraction to it. Well, I'm not happy with the wire they gave. It's completely flat. It can be broken easily, so you need to be careful about that. So right now let's coming to the sound point. Let's see how does the sound delivers. Connected my headphones to my HTC phone. Let's check out how does it perform. Oops, screen locks. Well, the sound isn't that loud, but it's good. The mids are good, the lows are not that bad. The bass is decent, even the treble too. Well, you can't expect that much from a 400 rupees earphone basically. So, well, it does give a competition to JBL and other companies out there. Apart from build quality, the sound does a great job for the price tag. If you are opting to buy this, you should surely go and get one. Thanks for watching. Do like and share.